Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Valentine's Day mani using Bases Loaded Lacquer Love Potion. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and this is Bases Loaded Lacquer Love Potion, and Patty created this polish. It might still be available. So here we go. We're going to hop on into the manicure. My base coat is dried and I'm going in with this Crelly that's amazing. It is absolutely perfect for a Valentine's Day manicure. It's a very, very soft pink. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And it's got red and pink and white glitters in it. And it's just over the top gorgeous. I love it. Patty did such a good job picking out her components for this polish. I'll have a link for Patties Channel down below. I hope you go check her out. She is such a sweetheart. So there we go. I've got 2 coats down. I'm going to top this with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat and get it to dry down. I do promise this is my last bottle of the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I will stop teasing you with it. So here's a swatch photo of it on its own. And I'll be using this MdU Valentine S1 plate. And I'll just be using different images off of it. I've got my Konad stamper and my H. La Corsadora scraper out. This is the Old Bundle Monster number 10 purple stamping polish. I believe it is sold under Violet Waves now. That is the name. And I had to just repurchase, and I kept stalking the site until I found the found it in stock. They didn't have it on sale on its own. It was in a collection with other polishes. So I just bought all of them because I really, really love this purple that much. It is the best one for stamping. It shows up so good. So like I said, I'm just picking different images off of this stamping plate. When I clean my stamping plate, I always use pure acetone. To clean the stamper off, I use a lint roller or a piece of tape. Just moving around, picking different images to fit on all of these little nails here. I really, really was digging this plate. And I knew I needed to get a Valentine's Day manicure out. I didn't really do a for real straight up Christmas manicure. I was a little thrown off during that time of the year. Just trying to get by at work and home and groceries and all of that, you know. So we just, but I'm trying to get back in the groove of doing things as they come up, you know, holidays and whatnot. We'll see how good I do. You guys, fingers crossed that we do well. It's just always something, isn't it? Alright, so here we go. This is my accent nail. I mean, I know they're all accent nails, but this one has like a lot more of a bold design on it. So that's why I did that. I am going to clean this off real quick, I think. No, I think I found one I can use without having to clean it just yet. You guys know, when I sit down, a lot of times I don't have any idea what I'm doing. I just jump right in and look at the plate and let it talk to me. How funny. So here we go. Last one. There we go. Just some more wordage. Love it, love it. So here we go with the cleaning. I am going to clean this plate really well with some pure acetone. Oh, it's covered in polish, y'all. So now I'm going to flip my cotton ball over to a clean side so I can get even more of that polish off. It's amazing what you will find on them afterwards. I mean, you think it's all clean and then go over it again. It's like, whoa. So I do get a little bit of that polish off with some tape, and then I go in with my cleanup brush. Of course, off camera, you know. Can't seem to keep myself straightened up. I'm going to use this Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream. Just real quick. Once that's done, I'm going to be topping this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once it's dry, I'll be using Seche Vite today to top everything off. But I really, really loved this manicure. I really had a good time doing it and then wearing it. It was so much fun. All those pretty colors. Kept in my fridge here. And this is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. And that is it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.